Just for the group?
Yeah.
Eat vegetable fruit from the Have you ever tried eating only vegetables and fruit from the season as a way to live more sustainably?
Are you a vegan or vegetarian by any chance?
No, I used to be when I was in high school. I watched a documentary about animals and got traumatized. So like when I was 16, I was vegan for a year. But besides that, no.
That's a long time. Under the sun. So you usually like to like under the sun, I'm feeling maybe on the beach or maybe on the park. How do you feel? Do you have
Relax.
relax?
Like hot. Yeah, hot.
And you like the hot?
Yeah, it's not too hot. I think it depends when most of the water is up. It's much better. It's breeze.
Do you normally spend much time in the sunlight, like every day, or?
Yeah, as much as I can. Try to get outside.
One, two, three.
Thank you.
You're so drunk.
Thank you, guys.
What do you feel?
I feel loved by the tree.
Have you ever tried